Hi, I'm Megan Foster and I am doing the hand washing technique lab activity 2. So I'm going to start out by grabbing a paper towel and I'm going to turn on the faucet. At this point I have the germ glow on my hands. I'm going to get my hands a little wet first. And it's just a quick wash. So I'm just going to quick wash. Just to get all the soap off like you would just, any average Joe would do. Just a quick wash, get all the soap off. Okay. I'm going to use the paper towel. I'm going to dry off my hands. Okay. Then I'm going to grab my test tubes on a flat surface. They're labeled quick wash. I am again going to grab my pipette and do 3 milliliters of water in the test tube. Two, three. I'm going to grab my second test tube, 3 more milliliters of water. Okay, and then I'm going to turn off the lights and use my UV light to see what contaminants I have. So my hand looks pretty good, minus the palms of my hand and my wrists. My wrists still have a lot of contaminants, and you can see the lines in my palm. Inside my nails, my fake nails have lots of germs. Let's do the other hand. Okay, same thing. My wrist, you can see, has a lot of contaminants. And the palm, okay, in between my fingers looks good, but you can see in between my nail bits, ew, lots of germs. Palms of my wrist looks good, but you can see in between my middle finger and my ring finger and pinky finger, there are some contaminants. And as far as my work area, still looks pretty clean. There's some on the sink right here, which we didn't notice before. Lots actually on the sink. It's kind of hard to tell with this camera, but there is a lot more contaminants on the sink than there was before with washing. As far as the test tube rack, I'm going to go ahead and pick them up because it's kind of hard to tell. The test tube rack actually looks pretty clean because, like I said, my fingertips looked free of contaminants. It was more the palms and in between the fingers and my wrists. So I don't see any contaminants on these test tube racks. Looks pretty good. So that's the end of activity 1. Activity 2.